Number 7, Montalas.
Congratulations for our best and lockout and formal winner, Mopia, candidate number 6, Ms. Liam Mendoza, and Lacan, candidate number 7, Mr. Kaiser Montalas.
The special award and the Wagner Awards.
And now, may we have the result for our top 5.
Okay, pasalamatan muna natin ang aming mga sponsors. Again, muli, maraming salamat sa Sangguniang Kabataan ng Barangay Duhan.
Maraming salamat sa Sangguniang Barangay ng Duhan.
Pamilya Agalaw.
ENCG Construction Hardware.
Velas Catering and Events.
Letty Milan and Family.
Letty Milan and Family.
Ulit-ulit. Bandok Family.
Kanubayan Family.
Governor Mila L. Hernandez.
Congressman Jam Agalaw.
Memphis Mobile License Young.
Joel Mendoza.
For our Logan and formal winner, maraming salamat sa Joel.
Yes, and also for the intermission number kanina, Justin Leolada.
Miss Lani Leola for our A-born. Thank you so much.
And also Tom Alvarado.
Gonzi Atang Ignacio. And of course, Dr. Ablao for our crowd. Maraming salamat. And now, nasa aking mga kamaling na ang resulta ng ating top 5 for our Mopia and Lacan ng Duhan 2024. In no particular order.
Mamaya tayo mag-present partner ng top 5. So, i-award muna natin ang kanilang Certificate of Participation. So, let me read the citation of the certificate. Certificate of Participation. This certificate is proudly presented to for active participation during the conduct of Lacan at Mopia ng Duhan 2024 Coronation Night, held on May 6, 2024 at Elway Subdivision, Sitio Bagong Lipunan, Duhan, Santa Cruz, Laguna, given the 6th day of May in the year of the Lord 2024. Signed by our Chairman, Barangay Duhan, Honorable Joselito A. Cabatoy.
So, congratulations lahat yan. Isa-isa ay pagtawagin natin ang presenter para po sa isang picture na lang po ng mabilis lang. Okay, tinatawagan natin Honorable Joselito Pogs Cabatoy together with our Sangguniang
Kabataan Chairman Jean Alvin Papa.
At samahan niyo po kami dito para po i-distribute natin ang ating Certificate of Participation to all our Lacan and Mopia ng Duhan 2024. Pwede po ba kung palakpakan natin silang lahat?
Again,
you know what, partner? Job well done sa ating mga Lacan and Mopia. Maraming pong salamat. Hindi man ngayon, but maraming pong susunod na pageant na kagaya nito na maaari kayong sumali pa.
Pagharap pa lang sa maraming tao, masasabi ko na panalo na sila. Diba? Hindi mo kang pagharap.
Update again, partner. I will repeat the criteria for judging. Q&A is 100%. With and intelligence na yun. Package na. 100% na agad yun. Ang bigat nung huli pala.